I finally got my case for my iPad Pro 11-inch and I'm absolutely amazed by it and all the functionality it provides me. Let's start from the beginning. The case that I got after watching numerous YouTube videos is the ESR Shift Magnetic Case. You can find this on Amazon. At the time of purchase, the price was $43.99. It comes in a neat little package that contains the instructions on how to use the iPad case, and the case itself is also packaged well. The case feels like it is made from good quality material and it feels sturdy in my hands. It also comes with a removable magnetic cover. You can take it off and rearrange your iPad in any way you like, such as portrait. This also means that your iPad can stick to any other things such as your refrigerator, something I found out while making this video actually. The iPad Pro fits into the case easily, and as always, ensure that you slide in the side of your iPad with the buttons first, then snap in the rest. This case is also a friend to the Apple Pencil and it allows you to freely charge your pencil. It also has a nice secure space on the back where you can slide in the pencil and it will not accidentally fall out. All in all, this case is really good. I've been using it for a couple days now with no issues so far. So if you are shopping around for an iPad case, then you may want to look into this one.